What's up, guys? Good morning. It is 4:37 right now. I am super tired. Just got in the truck. It's also freezing outside. They're calling for snow tomorrow, I think. So I'm at 5:05 till empty. We got about 3 hours to Richmond and then another 2 hours, an hour and a half, hour 45 to North Carolina. I'm pretty sure it was last time I checked. If we don't hit any traffic, that's why I'm leaving like super early right now. Diesel's got a long day, boys. We're gonna see how she does, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna do good on gas. But it's a long trip. I'm gonna go get some coffee right now, and I'm sure you guys can hear my throat. It sounds like death. It feels like crap every morning. But I am on heavy meds. Tonsils have to get to a certain point before they're able to take them out because they were just so big and like infected and inflamed and bleeding that it was too dangerous for them to take them out at that point. And that's where I'm at with that. But I'm still gonna go to Florida because I still have all my medicine I have to take, and it's longer than the trip, so if that makes sense. I'm not gonna be done my medicine like till a week or so after the trip, so it's like perfect. And maybe the warm weather might help, to be honest, because this cold weather just makes it worse. Every time I breathe in that cold air, it's like But enough talking. I gotta drive. I got 3 hours, but I'll pick it back up when the sun comes up. I wanted to show you my gas mileage right away because you guys saw it was at 505, and the lowest it went down was 495 by the time I'm getting to the highway. So I've been on the highway for approximately 30 minutes, and my gas mileage just keeps going up to like the full tank range. So it's up to 514 right now, and it's still been going up. As long as I stay under 70 miles an hour, it consistently clicks up. I just need to like stay at a boost, and that's the best thing for this truck, like cruising and best gas mileage wise. But yeah, so far so good. There's so much salt on the road, guys. I'm like, oh my god. One of my step cars is completely white. Once it gets bright out, I'm gonna have to get out and show you. Hour and a half right now, and the highest I seen my tank range get was 560. If I make it to North Carolina and back on one tank of gas, I'm gonna be super impressed. Sun is finally out. 18 minutes from the Miranda's house, and no one is answering the phone or responding in the group chat, so unfortunately everyone is still sleeping. If they're not up and awake by like 7:40, I'm gonna bounce. Kind of want a time crunch because I don't want to miss it because he has stuff to do after 12 and I won't be able to meet him, so gotta hurry, guys. Brandon, Derek, wake your ass up. This fool better be awake and ready. Hurry up, let's go. So we're pulling up at Derek's house right now. He's out back by the garage, and where's this fool at? Getting blinded by the sun.
Hit the horn.
Dude, it's like 7:55. I can't hit the horn.
He's down here in...
He has to be right here.
It's this garage right here. I'll get out and beat the door.
Do it.
What the hell is this?
It's it's the new generation of the Tundra.
Wait, what the hell is this?
Dude, I just found him on the side of the road. I picked him up.
Not up in time. Dang, man, hold on. I'm gonna take a look at this thing. Holy crap.
Leave the door open. It's warm out. Shut the door. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Shino, that Power Stroke life.
Dude, that thing is gorgeous. Holy shit.
She's a little salty right now.
Well, yeah, I mean, what happened with the Tundra though?
Dude, I sent that shit back.
It's like really big compared to the Tundra too. Like,
dude,
it's like beefier.
It's like a school bus.
Yeah, literally.
Look at Brandon up next to it. Stand next to the front.
Yeah. Put a trailer, put a big white trailer on it with your white car in it, then you have all the white shit. Wait, why does it have to be white?
Yeah.
Everything we own is goddamn white.
Let's go get some Chick-fil-A, dude. I'm starving.
I'm fucking starving.
We're about 45 minutes out right now. There's actually a lot of snow in North Carolina, surprisingly, and we're gonna be officially getting more snow. Just checked the weather report like 20 minutes ago, and snow was on the way, so not looking too good for us. Probably gonna have to wait a little bit to try the wheels out. I'm gonna definitely have to throw them on the car once I get home, but got this dude.
What's up?
And Brandon in the back. Brandon keeps farting, doing all fucking weird noises.
He does. He keeps ripping ass.
Bro, I haven't even started yet.
Disgusting.
You don't want me to get started.
Nasty. Hey, so we're gonna be posting applications up soon to get this man a girlfriend. So I mean, it'll start off at like $49.99 a month. That's both of us, so $100.
That's
Yeah.
the 1 month free trial.
You get a free trial with
We get a
Brandon.
free trial,
Yeah.
and we need something though.
Yeah, we need to make money off him. We just bought him Chick-fil-A. But anyway, we're almost there. We're getting close. I'm actually tired. I'm going to need another energy drink to keep me alive.
I gotta take a shit.
And I gotta piss. I gotta piss.
I don't shit in public though.
Like a freaking... Dude, I don't even know where I'm going. Like,
Bro,
look at the
wait, what the
GPS. My GPS is like we're in the river.
That's literally what the GPS does every time me and Derek go to your house.
All right, yeah, we're off-roading.
Good
Hey,
Lord.
We said we wanted to go off-roading. Here we go.
Pulling up right now, 4 minutes. I have no clue where we are. We might get robbed. We are straight in the cut. What does this look like?
Boonies.
Yeah, we're out here.
Looks like we're back at your house.
Sasquatch is about to come out of the woods and take Brandon. Can you imagine Brandon getting
Take Brandon, we'll just give him the Brandon.
Why is it always gonna be me? Everything always gets to take me.
Because we're faster. I will at least outrun you in a race.
I mean, it's fair enough. Steve did fucking gap you on a foot race.
Steve did beat you.
I don't know about
He's-
that.
He 100% did it.
He dead even.
He's 3 times your body weight, and he smoked you.
He's gonna buy a bumper.
I
Give
don't
him
know,
no
Brandon.
excuse.
Oh shit, grab a
Got a
blue.
really shit stain.
Yo, fuck you.
It was a V6.
It still would have gapped your shit.
No.
And you're telling me there's welds out here? Are you sure we're not just gonna get kidnapped or something?
We're gonna have to do a trade-off. Welds for Brandon.
Chill out.
Dude, that's not a bad idea.
We could do that.
You could
There's a seesaw in his front yard, bro.
we could get a finesse deal right now.
He said seesaw in his front yard. What do you guys think of the wheels? They look pretty clean, huh?
Pretty sweet.
You got some race stars right there.
Yo, they're probably like,
Ooh. They need a good wash, but
hey boys, low key, we just rolled up to this dude's house and look at us. We got 3 fucking shit.
look.
You
Boosted
got the Sony
coyote.
boys, and then I'm on the peasant life.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty nice.
It's badass. Oh shit.
I didn't see that.
Wonder how we did that.
Oh, it's a different hood.
Yeah, that's fiberglass.
This car's clean. How many passes did you take with these?
These have had more. When I go to the track I go to, it's an hour and 45 minutes away. So I drive them there.
Hour 45?
And these tires right here, probably a year and a half old. At least a year and a half old. They probably got 30, 40 passes on them, but they'll still last you a good while. These 10-speed cars, you don't need to do a whole lot of a big, huge burnout on them.
Yeah.
Especially if you're naturally aspirated.
Oh yeah, I'm ready for spring, dude. I'm over this shit.
You are not lying.
This shit sucks.
Look, I do landscaping.
Yeah, I was about to ask, how is it with the business?
Nah,
All
man.
this shit, huh?
I got contracts, so I don't have to work a whole lot.
Oh, nice.
I still sit around and get paid.
How much these wheels end up weighing?
Not much compared to like those race stars over there.
Poverty stars we got.
Yes.
I got a set of both of those.
$750 a piece if you hit a pothole on one.
With these?
That's what this wheel right here.
How much do the fronts cost new?
$750 a piece.
Oh, 750.
The tires are 400.
Tires are the
Look, this guy right here got away with murder.
Yeah, I know. What are you doing? Hey, can we leave him with you?
Bruh.
I didn't want to film too much at the guy's house. Super nice guy. If you're watching this video, thank you for the welds. Appreciate it. But let me jump in and show you the welds actually real quick before I fall out of the truck. I feel like I got a very good deal on them. $18.50 for the whole set, wheels and tires. I would say barely used, looks super clean. 305, 45, 17 for the rear and up to the front. These are the 18 by 5s. Just for the simple fact that I do have the performance pack brakes.
What's up?
I hate you. Wait, did you open that by hand or use the button?
By hand.
You look like a gremlin back there. We're gonna head back to the house right now, taking these guys back to Richmond. And I've been driving all day, super tired. Definitely gonna need another energy drink soon, but once I get home, I'm gonna clean them up in another video for you guys and show you me putting them on the car. They're gonna look sick. Gonna go get some nice photos with them. They started my truck. Where are my keys? I didn't even know they had my keys. Yeah, guys, I'm hyped. Fuck! Y'all ready? Kinda locking me out?
I forgot you had that on there.
You ready back there, little buddy?
Let's go, Dad.
We gotta drop him off at Mike's house.
This fool got his shoes off in the back.
I'm about to lay down on the floor and just.
Get your.
Probably
The
fit.
floor's wide enough for me to lay down there.
You look, he could put like a fucking mattress down there.
Oh, for
Cut
sure.
a mattress.
Dude, Bojangles slaughtered me. I can't
Yo, I'm
breathe right
slaughtered too. I got a fucking baby on the way.
I'm
Boy-
fucking slaughtered, dude.
now. 2 White Claws in.
Yeah.
We finally made it back. 3 hours, about 3 hours it took us. First we stopped at Brandon's house. This man got his car.
Acting like he knows what he's doing.
It's, who's this guy? Wheeler?
Fucking Sony gang.
This guy think he can vlog?
You haven't seen the garage yet, have you?
No.
Alright, I'm about to show you for the first time.
First time, guys, going in Derek's garage. Guys, if you want me to leak Derek's address, just comment at the bottom, DM me, and $1,000, I'll leak it all. Dang, this is fresh. There she is.
You gotta tell your subscribers. You see, we got license plate wall up here.
Whoa.
So we just got some new plates from the Mirandas. We got
Hey, Look at this.
ERZ, we got Instrument GT2,
Take that.
GT3, and Shadow.
Steal it, steal it.
Put up there. So hit the PO box, guys. The link and all the PO box is in the description at the very bottom.
Hey, look.
Send me your license plate.
You don't need these. You don't need them. Oh, what's up?
What are you trying to do?
Oh,
a lot of shit in there.
Just looking for
Put the fucking trees back.
Wait, what is this one? Base. I'm jacking one of these.
Go for it.
Bayside Breeze.
Which one, guys? Caribbean? I'm a Caribbean dude, honestly. Oh, the Caribbean dude's a 6-pack. I'm gonna have to take the 6-pack. Why does it look so wide in here?
Just wait until this gets changed out.
Can you wide body it, please?
No, hell.
Dude, that would look sick. I like it. Congrats, bro. Congrats.
Alright. Thank you. We gotta go check out Bluetooth valve real quick.
Yeah. Where's she at? Where's she at? Over here? Where's your garage?
I don't own one. I get stuffed on the fucking sidewalk.
Stuff in the backseat at your job because you fucking sleep on the job. That's not public information. Hey, what do you do when you go to work? To be honest.
I fucking work.
No, you know, let's try that again. What do you do?
I work.
No, you don't. You told me you used to take naps in the back of the cars.
I have
stuff.
Snapchat saved.
I work on my eyes.
Put that down before your clumsy little hands break it.
Actually, I saw that. I do like that a lot. Hey, can whoever made this, can you make me one, please? Send it to Derek's P.O. box because I don't have one. And then Derek will send it to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So what do you think?
I like
this
it.
This is Lucifer's garage.
It's fresh. It's fresh. Can you put that drag pack back on though?
It's
what?
Lucifer's
Oh, it's
garage and it's got all blue pictures up
All right.
here.
Well, listen.
Who is this guy?
I don't, dude. We should have left him in North Carolina.
We should have. That crackhead wanted you. Dude, you could have lived with a crackhead today. We know that. I haven't seen Blue since the day you picked her back up.
I know. It's been a minute.
Dude, it's cold in here.
Drag pad now. Coil over.
She's on kill.
It should be getting out here soon. So
How much do you think it's gonna make?
I'm aiming for 400. I think 400 is very obtainable. I pulled it down.
Blue?
Fully intercooled, blow through setup. New tile Q50mm blowout valve. It has an Anderson's power pipe. Actually, is it unlocked? No, it's not. The keys are in the garage, but yeah, I think
400 horsepower? That'd be perfect versus the Fox body.
Yeah, it really would.
Blue?
I need to get a hood for it. I need a cow hood.
Cow would look sick.
It would.
Or just like, you know, you can maybe like cut this out and put one of those functioning vents, like the black metal ones.
Yeah.
Rivet it in. Hey, peep what's in the back of the truck.
I'm about to put the fucking front in the car.
Jacket. You don't have the fronts? You just bought the rears?
Yeah.
I
got them for a steal.
Really?
Dude, I bought the rears for $500.
Damn, better than me. I got robbed.
Go down south.
No, that's good for 17. 17s and
18 by 5 in the front and then 17 by 10 in the rear. So I'm picking the vlog up the next day. I did make it home, finally from Richmond, and it's been a hectic week. I had to go straight to work after like 12 hours of driving and almost 1,000 miles in one day, and my truck was just like, I was tired. My truck's like, damn, where are we gonna keep driving? It's been so much, but made it home, and I got a lot of snow today. It snowed all day today and yesterday, but yesterday I did make an awesome video with the Raptor, and it was pretty sick, so that video is gonna be coming soon. To wrap this video up, I was gonna pretty much rest the new wheels and tires on one side of the S550 just to get like an idea how it's gonna look, and I do have something in mind for these wheels. I don't want to say or give out any hints, but it's in the works. It's in the works. They're going to be totally different. There isn't going to be another Weld in the country that will look like these. Same style, but it's going to be changed. So just have some thoughts in mind. If you have any ideas, drop it down in the comments below. But I'm going to put the wheels up against it to give you guys a better look. These big puppies. That's a big tire, guys. Let's take a look at it from the rear. Oh, looks kind of like the same width almost. I mean, it's gonna look better once it's under the car, and once I drop the PSI when I'm at the track, it's gonna like lay more surface of the rubber from this tire like down more flat on the ground. I'm kind of curious, so if you guys run this kind of setup on your car, let me know what you run your tire PSI at. I was thinking maybe like 15 to 18. But everyone's like, you're gonna dead hook, no problem. I would put them on the car right now, but I'm beat, and plus I wanna get these special kind of lugs. I don't know, let me know if you guys think if I should keep the chrome lugs or if I should do a different like color, something cool. Stay tuned, guys. A lot of good videos to come. Raptor video will be next. And please drop a like and subscribe if you're new here. We're almost at 12,000. We're about to flip it. Hopefully we flip it before Florida, but I'm sure I'll meet some new people in Florida to make sure they subscribe. But other than that, guys, I am out. Hope you enjoyed today's video and the vlog with the boys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.